Hello friends, welcome to the Fun Food Cooking channel. Today we are making another exciting and amazing recipe, and guess what? This is Udon Noodles recipe. Boil water, add sterilized egg and cook it for exactly 6 minutes. Then transfer them into a cold water. Peel gently and set aside. In a saucepan, mix 300 gram water, 60 gram light soy sauce, 50 gram mirin, 20 gram rock sugar. Boil and add a splash of white vinegar and let it cool completely. Now place peeled egg in cool soy sauce mix, refrigerate them for 24 hours, flip halfway for even flavors. These soft boiled eggs go wonderfully with scallion oil udon noodles. To make scallion oil sauce, mix 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of sugar. In a hot pan, fry sliced green onion until they become crispy and golden, then remove them. Now pour the prepared sauce into the scallion infused oil while it's hot. Store the scallion oil sauce in a sealed jar and use it within a few days. Now cook udon noodle for about 2 minutes in boiling water and then rinse them under cold water. Toss the noodle with the scallion oil sauce for a delicious aromatic dish. And there you have it, your amazing dish is ready to enjoy. If you like the recipe, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos.